Hi, friends, welcome back. In this episode, we shall try to understand what is a news article and what is a feature, the types of features, and how they are written. This is a second level of learning after getting introduced to how an introduction or lead is written for any news writing and how the body of the piece is structured. Typically, a news article discusses current news of public interest, which are usually published in newspapers. Articles on a specific topic, like release of new versions of motorcycles by leading manufacturers, they get published in exclusive magazines, automobile magazines, or newspaper supplements. News article always holds contemporary value and invariably carries eyewitness accounts or accounts of those privy to the issue or an incident, those who know about the issue or an incident. Before attempting to write an article or a feature, we have to bear certain things in mind. These are essential things. Know who is your target and which publication you are writing for. This is very important. The more important thing to know here is the reader does not have time to read what you write. Don't expect the reader to read whatever you write. You only have a few seconds of his time to grab the reader's attention because he has other sources of information. The major source, the other publications, especially your competitors, other newspapers, the radio, which is part of a mobile phone now, television and internet. These things are handy. Apart from the news sources, the reader also has so many other things to do. He doesn't devote the whole morning to newspaper reading because he has other things to do, like dropping his children at school, attending a meeting in office, shopping on the way, so many other things to do. So, the article or feature should be planned in such a way that the reader has no other option but to read it. For this to happen, you have to read the newspaper daily. This is not optional. Now, how do you write an article? We have already discussed the types of leads in earlier episodes, the leads that are used in news articles and features. News articles by nature always use the direct leads. Add to the direct lead certain simple techniques to retain readers' attention. A news article, for example, can begin with a quote. This is a quote. I knew this would happen one day after years of hard work. This is a mother's reaction to her son winning a national award in sports. She was expecting this for long because she knew how hard her son has been working on his skills. This kind of quote should leave something to the imagination of the reader. So that will make reading more interesting. It should be outstanding and chosen from your notes after a careful reading. When you carefully read your notes, you will easily come across this outstanding quote, which will begin an article. An article requires research, meeting and conversing with people. These are two essential things for an article. Make sure that you have all the facts about the issue or incident you are writing about correct. Get your facts right. Double check numbers and dates. If necessary, read books on the subject to gain a better knowledge, especially when you are not a specialist in a particular domain. Write down a list of questions for which you need answers and shoot them at your sources. Because without your sources, you cannot make your article authentic. Always depend only on those sources whose credentials are bona fide, whose credentials are genuine. If somebody claims expertise in a subject, check their background before depending on them or before going to them. After the lead, go straight into the story. Structure, we already seen how body of an article or a feature is structured. So structure the body of the article logically so that one idea flows into the another rather than jumping like a sequence in a movie. In a film, editing takes place after you finish the film. But once your article gets published, you cannot further edit it. Do not provide too much background information as it will make the article uninteresting. Two things have to be borne in mind here. One, you cannot take the reader for granted. The other one is you cannot hide too many information from the reader. Instead, trust the reader to understand certain basics without having to state them. Begin the article in the middle of action so that it attracts the attention of the reader. If you are going to write an article on the impact of smoking on heart, start like this. He was smoking the third cigarette of the day at 9:30 a.m. after breakfast when the world around him went dark. The next thing he remembers is lying on a hospital bed, surrounded by doctors, nurses, and monitors. This is about a person, a chain smoker, who suffered an heart attack while smoking a cigarette. Use authentic statistics to convince your readers. You are writing about the impact of smoking on the heart. Use statistics to explain how alcoholism or smoking has emerged as a major factor in increasing risk of heart diseases among people living in a particular area. For this, you have to substantiate your statement with the number of patients referred to hospitals and deaths reported. The second thing is, first you start with a statement, now you start with an anecdote. Use anecdotes wherever possible to make the article interesting, something like this. This is a scene from the life of a person who started an NGO to care for the street children. Joe was terribly hungry, looking at the crown made of flowers, a gift from his old students on his birthday. The cross in the flower arrangement disturbed him. He said, "You have nullified all the good work of 50 years. I have been running a secular institution so far. Today, you have associated me with the religion." He shouted at them. This is how you begin. Then, after the beginning, after the lead, we now look at the kind of language you have to use. Language you use is very crucial for both an article and feature. Use the language that is understood by your target. Normally, it should be understood by a school student. If you are writing for a newspaper, because newspaper is something which is read universally across age groups, choose a style that is understood by a schoolboy. Avoid hard words and phrases. Do not expect the reader to look into a dictionary to understand the meaning of what you have written. At the same time, be precise in choice of words and phrases. Do not use vague generalities. For example, do not use vague generalities. For example, do not say, if you travel on the road today in the afternoon, you will reach your destination late. This is very vague. Instead, you should say, if you travel in a car on the MG road between 2 p.m. and 4 p.m., you are likely to reach your destination late, as the traffic will be heavy due to a rally on the NSB road. Specific time, name of the road, and the vehicle you are going to use. Next one is length of the article. The accepted length for a news article is 200 to 350 words. 350 is the maximum. Anything beyond that is deemed not readable, because again, you do not expect the reader to spend so much time reading a longer story. Writing a 300 or 350 word article is very difficult, because you have to say whatever you want to say in just 300 words. But that does not mean that long articles are not wanted. Long articles are entertained in print at least once a week, as there is revival of long format reading during the weekend. During the weekend, the reader has some more time to pay attention to longer articles. But for everyday reading, short articles are preferred. These long format articles can have 800 to 100, 1200, 1500 words, because some newspapers devote a full page for the long format articles. Now, let's move on to features. Features are different from news articles in so many ways. They are described as windows to human experience. Features offer more details than articles and adopt a different style, which is often more intimate than one used in articles. In articles, there is a distance between the writer and the reader, but in features you will find a kind of an intimate relationship between the writer and the reader, closeness. Features speak about an event or individual and provide more interesting information about the subject. Like article writing, feature writing also involves selection of topic, research and meeting people, but it is a highly creative work. This is the basic difference. The first step for writing a feature is choosing an interesting and appropriate topic. The topic is presented in an innovative way, sometimes with a historic perspective. The writer should gather as much background information as possible about the subject. Here, too much dependence on the internet should be avoided, and instead, libraries can be utilized as rich sources of information. Do not depend too much on the internet, because whatever you see on the internet cannot be verified. Features can be written in different forms. The subject and the focus of our writing determine the form. There are many different kinds of features. The foremost is human interest story. Human interest stories mostly portray the triumph of ordinary people against adversities. They are written mainly to revive faith of man in himself. This is precisely the objective of reading a newspaper. They make interesting reading and give hope to ordinary people. A human interest story can be on a person or a group of persons. A recent interesting human interest story is on a social entrepreneur of Coimbatore, A. Muruganandam, who is referred to as the Padman of India. A documentary on him won the Oscar in 2019. A low-cost machine invented by him to make sanitary pads has won him international recognition. The story talks about his background and rise to fame. Let's have a look at The Padman's Story, a human interest story, written by Akila Kannadasan in The Hindu on February 5, 2018. A. Muruganandam's life is a haze of interviews to newspapers, TV channels, and radio stations. His phone doesn't stop ringing, and his wife sees him only during mealtime. To the world, he is a social entrepreneur, pad man, menstrual man, the man who wore a sanitary napkin. The low-cost sanitary napkin machine that he created is changing the lives of thousands of women across the world. But at his home in Coimbatore, he is a busy father whose bonding time with his daughter is during his work tours. He takes her along since he is already home, an elusive husband with whom his wife seeks an appointment. He says this jokingly to us, but there is truth in it. This is about how he invented the low-cost sanitary machine, but very interesting to read. The lead itself contains so many elements that are very interesting to the reader, like how busy he is, how even his wife has to seek an appointment to meet him, how it is found out, he is found at home only during mealtime, how the small machine invented by him has revolutionized the lives of so many people, so many women across the world. So this is how an interesting feature is written. Profile is the other type of feature. This is about an individual. It provides the reader an insight into the life of a person, can be an ordinary person or a celebrity. The third one is instructional. This type teaches a reader how to do something, fix, operate a new gadget, varieties of food, gardening. This particular feature helps in learning a new task. That's why it's called to-do feature. The next one is historical. This is usually written to commemorate a historic event like the 75th anniversary of Indian independence, and a very historic event like the entry of socially marginalized people into temples. There was a time when people from the marginalized sections were not allowed entry into temples. For example, the historic entry of marginalized people into temples took place in two places, one in Kerala in Vaikom and the other in Madurai. This type of feature juxtaposes the past with the present and gives an understanding of the present and an assessment of the past. The other one is seasonal. Some features are written only in certain times of year, like the Chitrai festival of Madurai, which happens during April, May of every year. Seasonal fruits like mango and jackfruit, summer destinations for travel writing. The other variety of feature is behind the scenes. This gives the reader an insight into an unusual process, issue, or event. A classic example of behind the scenes feature is how an unusually long dosa, which had entered into the book of records, was made. Another example could be the materials used to stabilize a bridge across the sea in Pamban near Rameswaram of Tamil Nadu. Now, we move on to how to write a feature. Planning is essential before executing a feature. Write down a list of possible features and stick it in your workplace. The list can be drawn in discussion with seniors or peers. Identify the sources that will provide you authentic information on the topic, any topic. For example, retired public works department engineers can be good sources for features on water bodies, dams, rivers. Draw up a plan including the number of words and deadline for a feature. Commit yourself to finishing a feature within a time frame set by you, not by the editor. Before actually starting to write a feature, like in the case of news article, gather as much information as possible and assemble them in a logical structure. Decide what should come first and begin with an interesting lead. Consider what you must have in the future and cut whatever material you deem uninteresting, unnecessary, and redundant. The best way to do this is to read the rough draft aloud with one ear closed. The first paragraph or the lead can begin with an interesting quote or an anecdote, as there is no need for you to follow the conventional lead as in the case of a news article. Ideally, the first paragraph of a feature should end in 2 or 3 sentences. The subsequent paragraphs should make the reader understand why you are writing this feature and its significance. Use quotes to substantiate your points, but do not use too many. Allow the reader some freedom to make inferences. As discussed earlier, choose a language and style appropriate to your readers. Do not be prejudiced about the ability of the reader. Do not assume that your reader knows everything. Avoid slang and jargon. Expand acronyms. For example, if you are going to write NASA, NASA, first expand it, National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Do not write to impress the reader. This is more important. Do not write to impress the reader. A very important aspect of writing is revising. Revise the copy at least twice to correct mistakes and rework sentences. It is always better to ask someone else to read the feature. It can be your brother, sister, wife, friend, or peer. Peer review always helps in improving the feature. Though it is not good journalistic practice, in exceptional cases like when you write features on space science, nuclear science, it is better to relay the feature to the expert who provided the information, because this practice will make it free from mistakes and also ensure that it is understood by readers. Submit the feature well before the deadline so that clarifications are made in time to get it published. That's why I said earlier, you set a deadline for yourself. Do not prolong till the deadline set by the editor. Your deadline should be much in advance. So far, we have seen what is a news article, what is a news feature, types of articles, types of features, how to write an article or a feature, what are the unique characteristics of a feature. We also looked at one of the very interesting human interest stories on the padman of Coimbatore. How to write readable articles. What are the other traits required to write a readable article, like revision, sticking to deadline, peer review, etc. Having talked about articles and features, we shall proceed to look at the differences between them in the next episode. Till then, bye.